Hello everyone. My name is Professor Swapnil S. Sudke of SND COE and Research Center EULA of Department of Electrical Engineering. Today we will discuss the topic of the subject network analysis of Unit 1, that is types of network, mesh and nodal analysis. In this topic, first we will see the basic concepts of network analysis. In these basic concepts, first point is the lump and distributed networks or circuits. Then second point is the linear and non-linear networks or circuits. Then third point is the bilateral and unilateral networks or circuits. Then first point is the lump and distributed networks. In this point, the first topic is the lump circuit. A circuit or network formed by lump elements is called a lump circuit. Then the second point is the distributed circuit. A circuit in which the elements R, L, C are distributed over a length is called a distributed parameter circuit. Then the next point is the examples of lump circuits are any closed loop circuit with lump elements with same or different ratings are form the lump circuit or network. Then examples of distributed circuit are the transmission line with RLC elements distributed over the long distance in the distributed parameter circuit. Then the next point is the linear and non-linear elements. In this point, the first topic is the linear and non-linear resistors. A resistor which obeys the Ohm's law is known as linear resistor. The Vi characteristic of such a resistor is a straight line passing through the origin. Whereas a resistor which does not obey the Ohm's law is known as non-linear resistor. The Vi characteristic of such a resistor is not a straight line passing through the origin. Then the next topic in this point is the linear and non-linear inductors. An inductor is said to be a linear if the value of its inductance is independent of the magnitude of current. The Phi-I characteristic graph of the linear inductor is a straight line passing through the origin, whereas an inductor is said to be a non-linear in nature if the flux increases extremely slowly for the large amount of current. The Phi-I characteristic graph of the non-linear inductor is slightly curved line passing through the origin. Then the next topic of this point is the linear and non-linear capacitors. When capacitance of capacitor is independent of the source magnitude, then the capacitor is called as linear capacitor. Whereas when the capacitance of the capacitor is dependent of source magnitude, then the capacitor is called as non-linear capacitor. Then the next point in this unit is that unilateral and bilateral circuits. The first topic of this point is the unilateral circuits. The circuits which allows the current flow only in one direction are called as unilateral circuits. The diode rectifier, PN junction diode, BJT are the main examples of unilateral circuits. Then the next topic in this point is the bilateral circuits. The circuits which allows the current flow in both the directions are called as bilateral circuits. The transmission line, resistor, inductor, capacitor are the main examples of bilateral circuits. Thank you.